Eco-driving is the ability to efficiently traverse a distance while controlling emotions and the car, as well as consciously obeying traffic regulations. We'll prove that eco-driving significantly reduces the cost of vehicle checkups and extends the durability of car components. We'll also show that it's a style of driving that makes it possible to drive safely without unnecessary emotions. On top of all of that, the driver is less tired. We're starting the engine. We are not waiting for warming the engine up, but only for pumping the pneumatic system. Meanwhile, we're checking the tachograph charts and then setting off. We're putting the car in the low gear depending on the load. Today we're driving with the 24 tons of cargo. This is why we're choosing the first gear while pulling off. I'm letting the clutch transmit the power without stepping on the accelerator. I'm stepping on the accelerator after the car moves. This prolongs the durability of the clutch and the disc. After pulling out, I'm trying to estimate traffic intensity and the lie of the land. Depending on the situation on the road, I choose the way of accelerating the vehicle. If the traffic intensity is high, I accelerate slower, using greater number of gears. If the traffic intensity is low and I don't have to brake suddenly, I can omit some gears and accelerate faster. In this way, I shorten the accelerating distance. After reaching the passing through speed, I turn on cruise control and maintain a steady speed. I am approaching the viaduct I am going to drive onto. Predicting the situation on the road, I turn off the cruise control, which helps me to maintain a steady speed without accelerating, and I'm slowing down much earlier. It is possible, due to the load weight I am transporting, the load that is well secured and stowed lets the vehicle keep going. For slowing down, I am using an auxiliary brake, such as the retarder, braking with gears and the exhaust brake. When approaching the turn, I haven't used a service brake even once. In a real car, you should be able to hear the engine while braking, not accelerating. This increases the durability of brake pads and tyres.